Yes, guys, just tune in. We will get this sorted out. But first, subscribe to my channel down below, please and thanks. I would really appreciate that, guys. So, let's go. Okay, so the first one will be Sweatcoin. Yeah, I like this one personally because yes, it has given me withdrawals already. I'll show you that in a few. And yeah, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is just refer people, and you get 5 sweat coins for each, and you just cash out at the PayPal requirement. And it's pretty simple. So I guess you guys can see it for yourself. So yeah, check it out. You guys can see I'm not lying. I'm not being dishonest or anything. You can see for yourself. That's my PayPal, and I'm pretty sure you guys can do it also. It's pretty simple, and like I said, just refer people, and that's all. So look at it. Yes, so the next one will be Dash. I'm pretty sure everyone knows this one, and it's simple. Also, you just do it's like a referral also, but you have to link your card with the app and you get the $5. So it's pretty simple like that. And then you can refer friends, and they will also receive a $5, and you also will receive their earnings and $5 also. And it's pretty simple like that, but they have to link their cards too. Okay, so the next one will be Inbox Dollar. I am sure everyone knows about this one already, so I'm not really going to talk much about this one. However, it's very interesting. I find it interested because actually you get paid for doing pretty much anything on that app. On this app, it's like pretty simple. You get $5 bonus for signing up also, and yeah, you get paid to browse, search web, play games. It's unlimited, I tell you. You refer people, and like I said, I've used it. I've cashed out also. It pays by check, so I know you guys should try it. Like, actually, yeah, you should. And yeah, so we're going to jump into the next one. This one is called Slide Joy, and I think this one is pretty awesome too. You know, it's like you get paid to install this app and keep it on your phone. Each time you open it, bam, you get paid, and it's simple like that. So look at it and check it out too. Yeah, and it was very nice showing you guys these apps to really make money online. And I will be coming up with new ones, so stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I will be coming up with some new videos. Also, you guys can leave a comment down below on what review should I do next. So thank you guys. I'm here for you. See you later. Until next time.